Temper tantrums is one common behavioral problem which we see nowadays in children of about 2 years or above, and the child usually throws tantrums by rolling on the floor or banging head on the against the wall or shouting repeatedly. So how do we manage temper tantrums? First of all, why does the child throw a temper tantrum? It's mainly because to gain what it's been asked, or it wants to achieve something from the parent, and when the parent doesn't give way. But definitely this issue parent would have given way in the past, and that is why the child is demanding it again now. So first we should abolish this idea from the child. So for this, the child, when it's throwing a temper tantrum, and if it's not harmful to the child should be allowed in its own pace to throw the tantrum, and the parent should only be there in the same place but speak consistently to the child that this is not possible, explain it to the child, and provide an alternate to the child. But definitely not the first time or the second time the child is going to give up. It's going to be only beyond that where the child definitely will pick up the alternate what you are offering. So most commonly where we see this is in supermarkets or something, or a public place where the parents usually give way to when the child throws a temper tantrum, and just because they fear public embarrassment. But once or twice you just control it, and then let go the child in the same place, let the child throw a temper tantrum, but you should definitely be there in the place and speak to the child consistently. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes till the child settles down, and bring back the child. Maybe that day night, have a talk with the child calmly. Try to explain to him what he or she has done was wrong, and then try to give the alternate again, and try to tell them that you're not going to give way to whatever they do, and then the alternate is the only choice for them. So definitely the third or fourth time they'll pick up the alternate, and you'll be astonished with that. So the parents, be consistent in what you're talking to the child at the time when the child is throwing a tantrum, and then for the choice what you're giving to the child, what the child has to choose, see to that you can definitely maintain it. So with this, definitely temper tantrums could be abolished.